Right, it's part 2 then, we're just serving up. Like I said, don't think you guys wanted to hang around waiting for my chicken breast.
Watching you do the dishes.
Yeah, watching me do the dishes. What is it off? I thought I'd left this. Let's have one again then. The sink.
Do you want to just do a quick recap?
Yeah, quick recap. So, we had chicken breast that we put a pocket in. So, like you butterfly it, but you don't go all the way through. What you do is you leave the top and the bottom, and you make a small pocket in it. Then what we did is we shredded up our spinach, and we went with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just leave that chair where it is, Brody. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, and we went with some cream cheese. About 4 heaped tablespoons of cream cheese, and we mixed that into the spinach. Right, then what we did, we stuffed that. I just used my fingers, got it in, and then I used 3 cocktail sticks just to pin the ends, just to make sure all that doesn't fall out in the oven. We'll see if that worked in a minute. Then I used a little bit of chili oil. Right, you could. One of the questions was, could I use garlic oil? Of course, you could use olive oil. You don't necessarily have to use oil. I just used it so the paprika adhered to the tables are being laid. That's why it's a bit noisy. So the paprika adhered to the chicken. Okay, then pop that in the oven. It's gone in the oven for 30 minutes. Now, I've got my asparagus and my green beans in there steaming. Alright, and now I've got a little bit of oil here, a little bit of coconut oil. It's heating up, and I'm just going to stir fry through my samphire for literally a couple of minutes. Right then. Okay.
If you go behind the hob, you get whacked with a spoon.
Memorise the child line number. I've got a letter on here as well. Right, so just going to stir fry that for literally 2 minutes. What were we at? We were at 48, so at 50. What I'm going to do is take that off the steam, get that in here. That in there would leave no more than 5 minutes in total. It's been on for about 2, and I'm going to add that all in. Okay, just this evening then, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a little bit of that chili oil just to drizzle around the outside of the plate, just to dress the plate a little bit, give it a little bit of a fancy one. We're not going kind of real fancy in these meals that we're doing. You know, a couple of them are a little bit fancier than others, but generally they're quite family friendly, easy, quick dinners, all with ingredients that you can get your hands on. Okay, so 1 more minute of that, so I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. Give it a little bit too hot. Okay, let's take that off. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, I'm going to pop that through. Just a little, that crackles just the water from the steam, and that's all it is. Okay, I'm going to mix that through. So I'm going to mix my samphire into my green beans and my asparagus. Turn that over, get it working through. Okay, and I reckon that is about that. Okay, let's lose that one. Let's get our chicken out. Where's my tea towel on again? There it is. What do you keep moving it for? Okay, let's have a look here. Oh, so I'll serve mine up first. There we go.
Yum.
That's that little red that I was talking about. In fact, I'm not going to go for the silken one, I'm going to go for the metal one. I can't find it. Let's just go for the
Right there
one.
at the front.
Is it right there at the front? Oh, look. It's not like me, not being able to see it. It's right in front of me. Hey! Right. Is that just a man thing, generally, do you think?
Well, it obviously filters through to children as well.
Okay, right in the middle of my square plate tonight. I went with white just to make these colours pop off that plate a little bit more. I want to try and go with about 5 asparagus spears. In fact, I forgot I've got an extra one of us tonight, haven't I? I'm going to go with 4. A little bit more green bean and samphire for me. Okay, I'm just going to push that down a little bit so I've got a nice bed so my chicken breast is not just going to fall off it in a minute. Okay, what I'm going to do then, thumb on the oil, I'm just going to go with a little drizzle around the outside of that plate. Ready? Let's go. So just release a little bit, not too much. So just get a nice bit of colour from that oil. And then all I'm going to do then, obviously take your I'll say obviously, it might not be obvious to some of you, but take your cocktail sticks out. They're not very palatable. Oh, that one don't come out. He was a bugger, that one. Lovely. Okay, and let's just get in underneath that chicken breast, getting a lot of that juice. And voila.
Beautiful.
There we go. So really easy, keto, slightly high in fat, nice and high in protein, but really low carbohydrate meal.
Quick.
Yeah, you know, it's fuss free, it's in the oven, it's done. All right, guys, I'm going to serve up the other ones. Last chance to sign up to Plan X, so our fitness and nutrition online program. We have been getting such good results from the guys in
Julie
the first...
Polglace came in then on cue.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, loads and loads of really, really good, and actually people on the course currently asking, can they continue on to another one? Guys, I can't speak highly enough of it. I know it's my thing. Ben and Holly and Kate and my mum also, and Hannah, all part of the team. But it is really, really cool, and the guys are just getting such good results out of it. So if you are someone who is interested in your health and your fitness, you're not getting the results, you're putting all the time into it, you're not sure what and when you should be eating, please give us a shout. Get signed up tomorrow, by tomorrow. PM me after this if you want, I can give you a little bit more information.
It's the best £100 you'll spend on yourself.
Yeah, you get to tune in with myself, our vegetarian specialist, a weight management specialist, Holly, who is a nutritionist and a chiropractor, so she's dealing with people's injuries on the phone. It's just really good. Yeah, I can't speak any more highly of it than that. See you later, guys. Enjoy your dinner. Ciao.